watcher and subscribers. Now here we are in the next tutorial of Python program, and here we will see how we can swap two numbers. So this is the image that you can observe. Suppose we have two number, first and second number. First number is 10, second number is 50. We will simply interchange. So first number will become 50, second number will become 10. So that is what swapping two number. Now we go for the logic. Suppose we have the two number whose values are 11 and 12. Okay, we want to swap that. So first we will take a two variable, x is 11, y is 12. Now we want x is 12 and y will become 11. That is our target. So for that you have to develop a logic. So you have to take one more variable, that is t, and you write in the logic t equal to x. So if you write this logic t equal to x in a program, so what is the value of x? That is my question. So x is simply 11. So it means that t will become 11. So in a coding section, in a logic, you simply write t equal to x, so that t will become 11. Means that variable t will take a value of x. Then our next statement will be x equal to y, so that here x value will become 12. So if you write x equal to y, so what is the value of y? That is 12. So it means the x value will become 12. Got it? That's why here I have written 12. So first logic will be t equal to x. I just highlight it. So first logic will be t equal to x, means first statement in your program. Then you have to write x equal to y, so that x value will become 12. Got it? So x got 12. And our 50% target is over. Then our next statement will be y equal to t. So y will take the value from t, and t value is already 11 because t has taken the value from x. So that the reason t value was 11, so y will become 11. So finally in the last step after swapping, here we got x equal to 12 because here the x value is 12 and y we got 11. So that is what the swapping concept, and you use simple logic t equal to x, x equal to y, y equal to t. Then we have one more method for swapping. Suppose we have same set of values, so the swapping logic will be x equal to x plus y. Means we are doing the addition of two value and we are assigning to the first variable x. So 11 plus 12 will become 23. And next statement will be y equal to x minus y. So what is the value of x? Many students will think 11, but it is wrong. X value is changed here and it is 23. So x is 23 and y is 12. So 23 minus 12, so y becomes 11. So y got the value of x. So our 50% task is over. Last statement is x equal to x minus y, because now here x value, it is what, 23. Because of this statement x value is changed, so x is 23 and y value is also 11. So 23 minus 11 will become 12. So we finally got interchange this value. So now here we go into the PyCharm and we will see how we can do it practically. So here I am in the PyCharm and we will develop the logic of swapping of two number. So first we want to give some value to number. So our value of a is, I am taking a simple value 1 and b equals to 2. And then we have to use the logic by using temp variable. So first we will print the original values here. So we will take the output statement. So we will write here a equals 2, and before that we want the message here before swapping, so that no confusion will be there. Then we will print the values a and b before swapping. So I will write a equals to comma a and then print b equals to. So here we are printing the original values of a and b. Then after that we will print the message after swapping. So here after swapping means we have to create your logic here by using temp variable we can do it. So here t equals to t equals to a because we use variable a here, and then t equals to a means what? The value of t is, we are using comment here, the value of t is 1. Got it? And then we will use here a equals to b, and here in the comment section we will write a equals to b means here t value is 1. So what about the value of a? A is taking the value of b means a value is here 2, and then b equals to t. So what about the value of b? Here you see t value is 1, so definitely here b value is 1. So here you see a got 2 and b got 1. So our logic is completed. Finally we will show the values here, and then we are printing the next value. So finally our code is almost completed. This is what initialization. Before swapping we are showing value of a and b, then after swapping by using this logic we are interchanging the values. Got it? So we will just run this code. So here there is a error message because by mistake here I have to write here print. By mistake I have done spelling mistake, and now I am running this code. So you can observe a is 1, b is 2. So after swapping the values are 2 and 1. So that is what the simple logic. Now we will apply the other logic without using temp variable. So here we have to do the changes. So our coding will be here a equal to a plus b means we will do addition here, and because of that addition a value will become 2 plus 1 3, and then b equals to a minus b. So what about the value? Because a will become 3 now, so 3 minus what is the value of 2? 1. So here the value will be 1. So b we got 1 because the b value was 2. So our 50% work is again over, and here I have to use a equals to again a minus b. So a value was 3 and b value was 1, so it will be 2. So in this way we can use this logic. Once again we will run and our output will be same. So if you change the number 11 22, so again we will apply for different number. Before swapping 11 and 22, after swapping 22 and 11. So in this way we can apply this logic. You can do swapping by two way. One is by using temporary variable means 3 variable, and second is by using existing variable. In the interview this is very common question. They will ask you without temp variable how we can interchange the value. Got it? So you have to always means you must remember this logic always, means you must know how to swap using temp variable and without temp. Got it? So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.